Aldridge.
Is your 9-year-old ready to start learning their first guitar lesson? In this easy guitar tutorial for kids, it's the perfect way to begin. There are 3 easy steps to this lesson today. 1, listen and watch me play the song first. 2, I'll teach it to you slowly. And remember to pause and rewatch the video if you need to. And 3, remember to have fun. We are on this amazing guitar adventure together. This song is just going to be using the 1st, 2nd and 3rd string only. And any notes played in the 1st fret, we're going to use this finger, which is finger 1, 2nd fret, finger 2, and the 3rd fret we're going to be using finger 3. And you can see that my thumb is pointing upwards and the pad of the thumb is on the back of the neck like this. Well done guys, amazing stuff, and please remember you can just go back and pause, rewatch this video, take notes, write it down, whatever helps you to learn this. And maybe it's your first lesson today and you didn't quite get the notes as I did, and that is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. every time you practice, you're just going to get that little bit faster at getting the notes. So just remember, every time you practice, you're just going to get that tiny bit faster. And that's what practice does. It helps to speed the notes up. So I would advise going practicing this every day for the next 5 days, and you're going to see a huge difference in your playing, and you're going to surprise everyone with this wonderful song. You Are My Sunshine. Ready to help your child become a guitar star? Visit our website for fun, effective online guitar courses and give your child the gift of music. I have provided a link in the description, and you can go and click that right now to find out more information. Parents and grandparents, join our thriving guitar community. Want to see kids just like yours learning, growing and achieving amazing results? Come and be part of our exclusive Facebook community where we celebrate student success. We share progress and support each other on this musical journey together. Click the link in the description now to witness the transformation and get inspired. And let's make music together. Next week, the secrets behind learning guitar. Have you ever wondered how I learnt to play the guitar? And the incredible journeys of our students at David Aldridge Guitar Schools. So next week's video is packed with inspiring stories, breakthroughs, and the exact steps that made all the difference. So don't miss out. Hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell so you are first to watch when this video drops. If you'd really love to continue this learning journey with me, David, I'd truly love and be honored to be your teacher. Remember, you can check out my online courses and books and website using the link at the bottom of this video right now. And it's been an honor, guys. That's my time. Keep practicing, learning and achieving one note, one song and one lesson at a time.